How to do bicycle crunches. Expert advice. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Step 1. Get into position. Start by lying on your back with your hands gently supporting your head, elbows wide. Step 2. Engage your core. Lift your legs off the ground, bending your knees at a 90-degree angle. Engage your core muscles to stabilize your body. Step 3. Perform the crunch. Bring your right elbow towards your left knee, while simultaneously straightening your right leg. Repeat on the other side, bringing your left elbow towards your right knee. Step 4. Focus on form. Maintain a controlled, slow pace to maximize effectiveness. Avoid pulling on your neck and focus on using your abdominal muscles to power each movement. Step 5. Breathe correctly. Exhale as you crunch and twist. Inhale as you return to the starting position. Consistent breathing helps maintain rhythm and oxygen flow. Step 6. Increase intensity. For a challenge, extend your legs further or increase the speed of your bicycle crunches. Always prioritize proper form over speed. Step 7. Repetitions and sets. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions per side. Adjust according to your fitness level and gradually increase as you get stronger.